Welcome, friends. Let's continue with a truly beautiful mind. Let's find out how can mind be truly beautiful. This is a story of about the genius personality Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, this 26-year-old published in quick succession, one after the other, four groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and energy. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos. The man transformed the name Einstein into a synonym for genius. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March in 1979 in the German city of Ulm. For about 2.5 years, he could not speak. Young Albert had a special affinity towards mechanical toys. At the age of 6, he learned to play the violin. He became a gifted violinist and maintained this quality all through his life. Although he was a good student and scored well in all subjects, he did not feel at ease with the strict regimentation of the school. The strict regimentation of the school, I'm sure many of you do not like the discipline which we learn at school. So in the beginning, we are little, we don't want a regular routine. We want to do something, or we want to study our own way. We want to do things our own way. But then regimentation teaches us discipline, which we realize it much later, that how discipline is good for us, or how discipline has helped us in achieving success. So when he reached Milan, he decided to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland. Later on, for higher education, he joined the university at Zurich. He showed more interest in physics and mathematics here. And here he met Mileva Marie, or Mileva Maric, who had many things in common with him. Eventually, Mileva and Einstein fell in love. Before securing a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern, Einstein worked as a teaching assistant. This is when he started developing his own ideas secretly. Einstein was sharp but did not perform well in school. He disliked the regimentation of school, as I had already mentioned, and often got into arguments with his teachers. Once his headmistress told him, or his father rather, that Einstein won't be successful at anything. And at the age of 15, Einstein finally left the school. Einstein was blessed in physics and maths, and he decided to study at the University of Zurich. At the age of 21, he graduated from the university, but he was unemployed. He only bagged a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office at Bern. While Einstein was supposed to assess other people's investigation, he secretly developed his ideas. Einstein wanted to marry Mileva right after the college, but his mother was against it. After all opposition, they married in 1903 and had two sons. Einstein gave his famous theory, special theory of relativity, in 1905. From this theory came one of the most important formulae of physics, that is E is equal to mc square. Mileva was not happy in marriage. She was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy wife. The couple, they finally got divorced in 1919, and Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. In 1921, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics when the World War broke out. He warned the authorities against the nuclear bomb. Even then, the United States manufactured the bomb and dropped it on Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. All of you are aware of that. Einstein was deeply depressed to see the destruction caused by the bomb, and he began a campaign for peace and democracy. So he became a champion of disarmament at that time.